Today I'm going to teach you how to do rocks. Rocks can be one of the hardest moves in Irish dance. For rocks you really need to loosen your ankles. And for beginners I would suggest holding on to maybe 2 chairs or something, just so you can get those ankles rocking side to side. I'll demonstrate for you. So you're going to go, when the right foot's on front, you always go to the right. When the left foot's on front, you go to the left. So I'm going to go to the right and back to the center. Right, center. Right, center. And what I'm doing, I'm locking my feet together, just like this. Feet just, ankles touching almost. And we're going to go to the right, center. To the right, center. On the left foot, and this will be much easier if you're holding on to a chair, just to get used to it so you don't hurt yourself. Left, center. Left, center. And once you have the right side and the left side mastered, you can go right, left, and that's what I'm going to do now. So we're going to go right, left, up. And once more, right, left, up. And that is rocks.